Might be runner up for sneaker of the year, maybe. What do y'all think?
Sneaker of the year.
We reviewed these in a previous upcoming heat, and today we have them in hand. We are unboxing the Nike Air Jordan 4 University Blue. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel Seed.
And Daddy Seed.
Of Dad and Son.
Kicks and cooking. And today we are excited to talk about these shoes. Nike has been dropping heat after heat, and today we are unboxing the Air Jordan 4 University Blue. I don't know about y'all, but it's been really like 40 years since Michael Jordan played basketball at the University of North Carolina. 40 years, right? You would think it'd be like 50 years maybe, but Nike is dropping University.
I think I was supposed to think it's been more.
Well, you would think something special, like a big anniversary era celebration.
Oh, I see.
50 years,
Yeah.
25. I know for you would probably say like 20 years would be a big accomplishment, right?
Right. I mean, I just didn't know it was that long ago. Like,
Yeah, exactly. Because you're 14.
that dude is old.
I mean, he was in college. The man's like in his 50s now, right? No, Michael Jordan's probably like 60. Wow, that's crazy. How old is Michael Jordan? Comment down below if you know how old he is.
Jeez.
But yeah, Michael Jordan played college basketball at the University of North Carolina from 81 to 84. So 81, 2001, that's 40 years since he, strapped up at the University of North Carolina. He wasn't Air Jordan then. He was just a lanky kid from New York that was like a late bloomer, you know what I mean? Like kind of was growing into becoming the player he is. Then worked his way into like a starting position. Then all of a sudden he just started winning, and he sank that final shot for the championship his freshman year against Georgetown.
Oh, that's when he got famous.
That's when it all started to go uphill, right? And then all these honors, everything happened, and then went to the NBA.
And then he got shoes.
They got a shoe deal, and the rest, as they say, is
history.
You got it. So let's just get into the shoes, man.
Yeah.
I was so excited to get our hands on these. Thanks to the people that feature on this draw, getting these early. But the box, right? Just the first
wait
one.
a second. Well, how come when you get the Air Jordan 4, right, you get this box that has a big white light with the Air Jordan and the flight in cursive and the super cool whatever cookies and cream type pattern here. But when I get my ones, they come in some kind of all black box with nothing on it.
You got on, it has like the Nike on top, right?
Oh, it has a red Nike and a check. It is nothing like this.
Because they were the first edition of the shoe, right? The Air Jordan 1. In 1985, the Nike box was really simple. And as time went on, the boxes got a little more high-tech.
So they don't change the box?
Sure. But I mean, for the ones, they really kind of usually always go back to the simple beginning. They don't change up the box for those. But I was so pumped to see this, man. Just the way they did this with the white and the Carolina Blue Jordan, Jumpman, the label on the side here, and like you said, the cement around the edge of the box.
Right.
But that's just the box.
Let's get into the shoe.
Let's get into that shoe, man. Let's take him out. Bring him out. Bring him out. Woo! Look at these boys.
Look at that.
Look at these puppies here. We got lush suede all around the shoe, man. Carolina, sky blue, light blue color.
Cookies and cream pattern on the, what's it called? The wings.
The wings, right,
and
with
the
the
tail.
cement and the tail, exactly. The tail with the Jumpman branded logo.
Yeah.
Not the Nike Air, which, that definitely would prefer, however, the color.
You said you like the Jumpman more.
No, I prefer Nike Air. Nike Air typically is going to be, like I said before, it's like your OG colorways. Sometimes special releases, but these are from Jordan brand, so you get the Jumpman.
They got that new car smell, that new shoe smell.
That's right. Well, it does have this tag, which I'm not the biggest fan of, and it says, "Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever." So you got that tag on the tongue. And typically on the Jordan 4, it's just the flight. So this is like an extra piece that they added to this shoe.
I like it though. It looks cool.
I mean, it definitely differentiates it. I've seen some people online that have cut that off. So yeah, I mean, some people just customize their shoes, man. Before I would really touch it and customize it.
Why?
It'd be something very delicate. I haven't really done
if
it.
it's like a Air Force One, then people, customize those all the time because they're just blank white.
Right.
But why would you change something on this?
I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest. It's a tag that you would usually see like inside clothing or something. I like the flight tongue by itself. So this is really modeled after the UNC player exclusive edition that came out in 2019, but it was only available to the University of North Carolina basketball team.
Oh.
So once UNC became a Jordan school, like sponsored, by Michael Jordan, obviously is his alma mater,
right.
He started pumping different models of the shoes just strictly in Carolina blue just for the team. So we saw this basic same shoe almost that had the UNC logo on the tongue, and they were fire, but you couldn't get them. And
right.
I mean, I'm sure there's some out there for sale, but they are going to be sky high on the aftermarket for resale. But now we got this, and this is to me,
it's awesome.
Might be runner up for sneaker of the year, maybe. What do y'all think?
Sneaker of the year.
I say runner up because my number one so far, of course, which I don't have in hand, and I'm sad, is the Alma Air Jordan 3. I think that's the sneaker of the year. And this is only, it's only May, so.
Sneaker of the year already.
I'm telling you, well, I think because of the shoe being so, it's so like such a loud shoe.
I don't disagree with you though. Like that's an awesome shoe. I love it. Now, you got this in a what size?
11.
And I fit that or not?
No, you're 12.
Ah. That's cool.
You just got to pair the ones, man, in the University blue.
You're right.
How many colors would you want, the same color shoe? If you haven't watched that one, go watch when we unboxed the University blue Jordan 1 for Nigel that he did get pretty recently. But let me know, because they've been, Nike has been doing University blue and blue. I guess it's a year of the blue shoes. They did the Georgetown 3s that were like a navy blue. Then we got the University blue 1s, the University blue 4s, the Hyper Royals, which is almost like a washed denim looking blue. That's a lot of blue, like in the first, in just the first quarter, first half of the year. So let me know if you guys are tired of blue at this point.
Isn't that your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite color. I love it. I'm just asking, do you think it's enough?
What about you though?
But I like it. It's something different. Yeah. I've never seen these just out on the street, this kind of colorway.
Now, you have to rate the shoe. But before you do that, let's go get this food started because I am hungry. Hey Seed Squad, it is Daddy Seed's birthday today, so we are out downtown in the city, about to go celebrate by eating what?
Go to chow, my favorite place. Let's go.
All right, we're here at the restaurant for Daddy Seed's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy Seed.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. It's my favorite place.
So there is this cheese thing that they have here that's like has like honey or something on it, like some grilled cheese. And let me tell you, it is literally, isn't it? It's the best thing ever. And I swear, if they don't have it today, I'm just leaving and going to eat Burger King.
What? No. What's wrong?
The cheese is so good.
So good. What's so good?
It's delicious.
So
it's
good.
Perfect. As you have this cheese, put it on your fork. Hey, shh, don't bite yet. Put it on your fork. Close your eyes. Listen to the noises around you and bite. Feel the taste.
Guys, Nadia is dedicated to this all-you-can-eat mission. Check her out.
I haven't ate a single thing since 5 p.m. last night when we ate dinner. I haven't even ate snacks. I didn't even eat breakfast today because I'm trying to save room in my stomach for the chow.
And to top it off,
Some creme brulee. Just kidding, creme brulee. My favorite.
the coffee.
More coffee to fill what's left of a full belly.
Nigel's in the bathroom, so we're gonna FaceTime him and sing happy birthday.
Birthday
To Daddy Seed.
Hey
Birthday
guys.
to you.
Thank you. You guys are the best. Love you. Yeah.
Now, Daddy Seed, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love the Air Jordan 4 University Blue?
Whew, this shoe,
Yeah.
I was waiting, man. When I first saw it, I started drooling. I'll give this shoe.
Wait, Seed Squad, make your predictions in the comments. What do you think
All right.
he's gonna say? Okay, 3 seconds. Type in a number. 3, 2, 1.
All right, I'm gonna wait.
Now.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this beautiful shoe 9 out of 10.
Oh man!
Are you off?
No, I thought you were gonna give it a 10.
See?
You said shoe of the year, and it's not a 10.
I said runner-up for shoe of the year.
What did you say, runner-up?
I said that. That was what I said because my number one shoe so far this
You
year,
said the
Alma
Mater.
Mater 3s, then these, right?
You did say that.
See? So that's a 10. That's 9.
All right, and I have to agree with you. I'm gonna give it a 9 too. I love this shoe.
Now you're giving it a 9.
I love it, man.
All
It's
right.
an awesome shoe.
It is. I mean, that thing is fire, man.
Yeah. No.
So what do you think at home? What do you rate this shoe? Do you love it like we do? Were you able to cop a pair?
Dad, you need to try these shoes on. So